You can earn $1,197 per month lifetime using this new app. This is the easy McMahon method that I have to show in this video. You can just using this method, you can earn more than $1,000. It's just as per se, you can earn even more money by using this method. This is very simple and very easy method I have to show. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest McMahon online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always stay with my channel and with my videos every day. So see you after the break. Okay, so let's jump back into action. That site, the app that I'm here to show you, this is a site definitely, but they are having some tools and app. This is mangools.com. If you're really new about these websites, if you don't know about it, it's an SEO service site. It is an SEO app service, SEO tool service. They will provide some SEO tools and apps to their customers, really. But what is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means every companies, every big influencers out there in the world have some websites, and many persons have websites, many companies have websites, and websites are really important in every business. This brings customers worldwide, so they need to improve their search engine ranking on search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, like that. So all it takes is simply you just make this website search engine compatible by using search engine optimization services and apps, so that you can get ranking on Google. When people search something like those related to their company, related to their services, they have a better chance to get more views, more customers, and they make more money. So this is a really good options. Peoples all around the world having a website or even a social media accounts are looking for a social media optimization, search engine optimization services and apps like this. And Mangools is a really professional sites and very good sites, comparatively cheap sites that will provide those apps, those tools to those websites, and bring lots of view, traffic, and sales, and for those customers and for those companies. And really these sites is really professionals, and this is also have a start 10-day free trial. This is really good offer, no credit card needed. So people's all around the world may skeptical about using any service like this, but definitely after 10 days free trial, if they see results, they can definitely order. And I'm assure you, this is a professional tool, professional service provider that definitely will bring lots of sales, lots of customers, and that will hold that customers for long time, definitely. But how we use these websites and how we can earn money? We are not going to buy social search engine optimization services or tools or apps from this website, but we are using these apps, these SEO tools, the SEO apps to earn money. These apps can make us money. So definitely you can just go over to mangools.com and you can see that they have some lots of apps and tools for these services. If you just like a customer, if you just buy their service, you will get a really good apps or tools that where you can just search for keywords related to your service, and you can just see their rankings, ratings, and views, so that you can optimize your site for that. They have also some SEO SERP for any locations. They can track your ranking, they can find powerful backlinks for you, and they also check competitors website authority. This is very important for any businesses. You have competitor in your business area, so all it takes, you need to know how your competitors doing, how they are doing well, so then you can also bring up and compete with them, and you can rank out them. So this is very easy way. Just simply buying these services, you can do that, and you can bring your business to upfront to lots of viewers and traffics, and you can get sales for your company. So why not using this website? This website is a very good website. They have a really good and easy and great user interface, and they support with SEO skills. They have SEO experts that can bring your companies to the world without any problem. So they have a best value for the money. For sure, you can just verify that. You can go on to any web SEO services out there, but you will not find any service so cheap like Mango's providing. So definitely you can see that peoples all around the world, bigger influencers are reviewing these sites, and you can see that they are really happy. They are happy customers of mangoes.com, and you can see that they also trusted by big brands like Airbnb, Alexa, Skyscanner, Adidas, you name it. These are the big brands that will love that are happy customers using mangoes.com tools. This is very cool. And you can see, you can just simply go over to their pricing sections. You can see that we will check it out later, but how we can earn money, we are not buying these services. So all we take is just scroll down below in the affiliate program. Yes, we click on affiliate. This is the affiliate sections. Definitely see, I will show you. Don't worry, you do not need to mass promote anything. You do not need to worry about any investment. You do not need to create any content or video or anything like that to market it. Is simple process. I will show you the method by which you can get targeted but lots of followers, lots of users that will be very much interested to buy Mango's SEO tools and services from your link. So definitely you just stay with my videos. So if you just go over to their affiliate program, you can see that they are averagely paying, average monthly payout is like almost $500, but you can make more money. Just simply I will show you the way you can get more customers very easy. But definitely the important part is you will get 30%. Every customer you get, they pay, you will get 30% for that commissions, and it's for lifetime. That is why I told you you can earn lifetime commissions. Lifetime commissions means the longer the customers stay this website, they renew it, you get the payment. They renew it again, and you will get that commissions again and again for the lifetime. You do not need, just simply you promote it, you bring one customer, and then you are done. You will just sit and forget it, and you will make money. It's just pure passive income then. So all it takes, it's very easy. If you just simply go over to their pricing sections here, if I just go over to their pricing section, this is the best value. The premium, they have basic, they have agency, but the premium section, premium price is, this is the best value. As you can see that the features are really awesome with that value. So it's $40 per month. It's an annual billing. So all it takes is just simply the customer have to pay $478.8. So they will build every purchase. But what you will make for that you will make like $143.64. So if I just copy it, if I just go to my calculator and paste it like this, and it's just for one customer you make this money. So if I just multiply it by 100, if getting 100 customers is really easy, very easy. So for 100 customer you will make like around $14,000. So $14,000, it's an annual. So if I just divide it by 12, so you are making $1,197 per month if you just simply can promote to one 100 customers. 100 customers getting is very easy. All it takes is simple work. Just follow this method I am to show in this video. All it takes is just simply follow this method. If you just simply get 100 customers and they stay for lifetime, you will making $1,000 per month without doing anything, pure passive money. So more work you do, more money you can make. But just simply I'm saying it that for 100 customers you can make $1,000 per month, definitely. But for that you just simply click on start earning now with this button, and it will ask for you your email and password, and you just hit sign up and you're good to go to create your account. But how you can promote this website can get targeted customers? But before I show you that, if you're liking this method so far, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you can always stay with my channel and with my videos every day. So let's move on to the traffic method by which we are using Google Maps. Yes, we are using maps.google.com. You just go over to these sites. This is a really cool way to find businesses. Just simply if I, for example, search like gyms in Washington DC, you will see, you can find all the gyms are listed here. If, for example, if I just click on one gym like this, and it will show their website address here. If I just go over, click on this website, it will load their website, and you can see that this is a website. They also have some social media presence like Facebook, Twitter account as well. So all it takes is just simply go to these websites, and if you just contact them and to their social media profiles, or by using their contact form, and also you can scroll down, you can just call them to their number, or just you have an email address here. You just simply copy and email them and tell them that you are a really good opportunity you have to multiply your customer, multiply your business to another level. So all it takes is simply go over to use mangoes.com, and you will get 10-day free trial, no credit card required. You can just start using these services and you will see results within 10 days. You will get more people, more customers, more traffic, and more sales, definitely using their service and their apps. So definitely, if you say something like this to all these businesses out there, you just, opportunity is limitless. Simply search for any businesses around any area. I just choose Washington. You can choose any area in the world. This is a worldwide opportunity. You just simply do not need to go anywhere. You do not need to sell door by door. You do not need to invest any money. You do not need to even create any media, any video, or anything like that. All it takes, simply search it. All the companies, you can get it. It's a work you have to do to earn money. It's a one-time work. You just search for any businesses, target those businesses, contact by them using their email or phone or social media accounts, and tell them about these Mangoes awesome opportunity, awesome services that will skyrocket their sales, their business. Definitely many of them you will be interested to join mangoes.com and avail their SEO tools and apps to grow their business. And definitely, if they join, anyone who joins will see results, and when they see results, they will stay forever with this website. And if they stay forever, you will make 30% commissions lifetime from their investment, from their money. And they are the business owner. They have money. They want to invest money to promote their business. Who do not want to get their business to another level? Definitely they want. So if opportunity is limitless, you can just search any country, any world, any business around the world simply using Google Maps. And definitely this is a one time task, one time work, and you will, whenever you get a customer, this customer stays, definitely most of them will stay forever, and you will make 30% commissions every month without any problems. So this is the thing, you have to be active, then money will follow you. Do not need to invest any money. This is a free method. You can make thousands dollar, $1,197 for just 100 customers. If you just get 1,000 customers, imagine, calculate how much money you can make. You can make six figures year without any hassle. So be active, money will follow you. I hope you like this method. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.